Firstly, congratulations on your trailer hitting the 5.6 million mark. और आपको एक बात और बता दूं कि पहले ही 24 घंटे में ट्रेलर लॉन्च के बाद it hit 2 million in 24 hours, breaking all records of any Indian cinema ever. It also broke one of our favorite films, Bajrangi Bhaijans, record of 1.8 million.
Which behind this? कांटे फिल्म हमने LA में बनाई थी और कांटे का पहला लुक जब हमने लाइन्स एंड होटल में उसको दिखाया था सबको, so that's when Rohit and me met, and Rohit had come and compared that evening, and so I can say he's my lucky charm.
Yes, absolutely, and I hope that takes this forward. Kante went on to become a cult classic, as we all know. But I think that with Jazba, White Feather is going to have another feather in its cap. And to talk about the song, I'd like to start with you, Sanjay. Tell us something about the song, what it is like, before we call up Juban.
See, this song in the film comes in the end credits. Usually in the end credits, people like against the...
लेकिन एक खास बात ये है कि इस फिल्म के साथ एक ऐसी अभिनेत्री अपना कमबैक कर रही है जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तान को ऑलरेडी झंझोड़ के रख दिया है कई सालों से. She's been ruling hearts, and of course Anuradha, you've been ruling our hearts, but the lady in question has been ruling everybody's heart, not only in India but across the globe. The very beautiful, the very talented. Put your hands together for Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Ladies and gentlemen.
क्या कर रहा है यार?
Very, very warm welcome, Aishwarya. So here she is, and this is going to be your comeback, and everybody is waiting with bated breath. But today I want to ask you a question. Of course, you'll be answering various questions to the press about the film later. But I'd like to know, what was the experience shooting this song, being part of this song, Bandya?
Good evening, and thank you for the welcome. Sorry, I was talking to Dada backstage, and I didn't realize I had been already welcomed on. So excuse the second of a delay. Well, I already said it at the trailer launch, and I should repeat, working with Sanjay firstly has been an absolute pleasure. And as Irfan had put it at the trailer launch, Jazba is a Sanjay Gupta film. So what was the word he used? Sanjay Gupta-fied or Sanjay-centric, and so on and so forth. What would the term be? But that's it. That's the movie, and that's the energy with which we have come on board and thoroughly enjoyed the journey. The ride actually. Lots of blazing wheels, lots of dust, lots of car rides, and lots of adrenaline. And it's wonderful to tell such an intense story with that kind of pace and that kind of to feel time ticking throughout the narrative has been really enjoyable, and I'm so glad. We have been meaning to work together for so long, so if we have come together, it's on this one. And while Sanjay has candidly shared that, you know, this is, we haven't done the predictable signature stuff as expected in a regular narrative. He's kept the treatment of the music as would be true to the narrative of a film of such a subject. We absolutely love the song, and we thought it would be fun to throw in a video, but not in the conventional, predictable way yet again. So still staying true to the spirit of the film, the character of the film, and yet giving in that little dash of chutzpah. And working with Ahmed after so long again was wonderful, and Zubin's really rendered the song beautifully. So call the rest of the team on board.
Okay. Ahmed, can we have you here? I'm going to call the rest of the team a little later. But since you mentioned Ahmed is with us. May I call upon Juban? Juban Notia, the voice behind this lovely, lovely song.
And most importantly, Amjad and Nadeem, the music directors.
ऐसा गाना सुनने के बाद आप कुछ कहें उससे पहले आपके लिए बता देता हूँ कि ऐसा गाना सुनने के बाद वो कहते हैं ना कि रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. And I'm sure. Can we have one round of applause, guys? Sanjay, please tell us something about the shooting of the video. Anybody can shoot a video, but you guys need to tell us something about the video itself.
I think Ahmed and me, whenever we work, the one thing we never do is any homework. there's nothing planned. Whatever comes out instinctively. It's from the heart, and that's what is there. There are no rehearsals and there's no storyboarding.
Ahmed, would you like to add something there?
Lots of spontaneity. That is Sanjay's language actually. Lots of spontaneity.
Well, that's true. His pet name is Goops. So, we never have anything planned, but we have a kind of, we're like cockroaches. They've got the antennas and the vibration comes through. And secondly, I shoot with many heroines and many heroes, everybody, but let me tell you that when Goops was on one camera and I was on the other, and when you have somebody like her, so it's done. So हम तो सिर्फ shoot करते रहे, बाकी जो इन्होंने किया है, so ये best है जो बताएंगी.
Aishwarya, would you like to join and tell us your feelings when you shot this song? Because it's obviously not a regular song. The feel is Sufi.
What's nice is the brief from... Okay, I learned something today. Alright. So, like we were saying, like Goops confessed that everything, is very spontaneous, and luckily I've found an incredible comfort level already with him during the making of this movie, and we have common friends in the business, so it was working with him has really been easy, very, very natural, and I've known Ahmed forever. I mean, right since Tal, and meaning to do so much more over the years. We still have time ahead, which is a great thing. So it was wonderful reconnecting again, and they've sung the song, he sung the song so beautifully. They have composed it arranged it so beautifully. So that was pretty easy, because the brief from both Sanjay and Ahmed was to feel the song and to be true to it. So while this will get labeled a video, nothing in this movie is keeping with the labels. It'll get labeled a comeback film like you just did, thanks, yet again. But we're not playing to that adage. Likewise, we're not playing to the perception of a video could, would, should be. It wasn't about, come on, let's do the moves, let's throw in a move here, because guess what? There's Ahmed, and guess what? That's me, and guess what? He can really make it look amazingly cool, but we still stay true. So that was really nice that we all are on the same page there. And it was about feeling the song and bringing that to the camera.
Thank you very much. And since we've spoken so much, thank you Ahmed, thank you guys, thank you Sanjay. Jubin, I'd like you to stay up back.
He can sing.
Yeah.
He is singing. Got a live performance.
Like I said, Jubin, you want to go and get your stuff and come back? Okay. So we got this song, it's soulful, it's romantic, it's fantastic, it's intense. This is his first video, and Jubin has been known to be the lickiest singer around. And he's so lucky, I'm sure that Bandeya is going to be another historical landmark. आप भी आइए प्लीज. अनुराधा भी बहुत अच्छा गाना गाती है, लेकिन आज नहीं गाएंगी. May I call upon Nitin Kenny, Akash Chawla from SL Vision. My friend Sachin Joshi, please on stage. आइए नितिन जी, बहुत स्वागत. Sachin, the entire cast back on stage. Aishwarya, can we have you back one more time, please? Aishwarya.
Center में.
उसकी वजह बाहर खड़ी है. मैं call upon stage the original tiger, Jackie Shroff. Dada, who's probably making himself appear. We have two bright young talents with us today. We also have Abhimanyu Singh. Abhimanyu, please come on stage. Dada, welcome. Abhimanyu, we have Priya Banerjee and Siddhant Kapoor. Priya is making a debut with this film. And Siddharth, who's a powerhouse performer. Welcome. Ahmed, can we have you back for the photo op? Up there, yeah.
Center, man.
Everybody here.
Hey, Manav bhai,
Jubil,
time se chuko na.
please. Jubil,
Oh, Manav.
this is the mother of all pictures, and I suggest you get clicking. I'd like to also call Vardhaman and Rishabh, who have been very kind to have organized this for us. Rishabh, Vardhaman, please. Thank you. The two stylish brothers behind Escobar. And that's it. Now thank you very much all you guys, and all the very best to Team Jazba, and I'm sure it's going to take everything a notch higher. लेकिन
तो सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार आप लोग इतने आए हैं बड़ा फोर्स के अंदर अच्छा लगा जज्बा भिड़ो हिंदुस्तान है जज्बा तो हो गए अगर जज्बा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा अपन थोड़ी ठंडे खून के लोग हैं सब हॉट ब्लडेड है सब गर्म खून है ऐश्वर्या बाबा का पिक्चर है बहुत अच्छा काम किया मैंने डबिंग करते वक्त देखा हमारे हिंदुस्तान की सबसे खूबसूरत सबसे टैलेंटेड बच्ची शी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल आई वर्क विद हर शी स्टार्टेड अ करियर इन अलबेला आई वाज देयर अलबेला पिक्चर में मैं था और मैं क्योंकि ये इनके होने के बाद कोई दिखता नहीं बोलने का मतलब है कि बहुत दम है और सॉलिड परफॉर्म किया हुआ है पूरा जज्बाती रोल है जज्बा टाइटल संजय बाबा ने जो रखा है सही लगा है बाबा संजय bloody good. I think you have a fantastic film. I think you perform superb. Ash, you look lovely. Always you look lovely, and you perform fantastic. All the best to everybody. आपको भी और आप सबको भी ज़्यादा कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं. मेरा बच्चा बना हुआ है बदमाश. आगे बाकी कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं. बोलने का अपना काम नहीं है आज. आज इन लोगों का काम है ये बोलेंगे. ये है कि जज्बा हिंदुस्तान में जज्बा के सिवा कुछ नहीं भिड़ू.
Thank you, finally mixed emotions, excited भी हम लोग काफी और थोड़ा सा मुझे नर्वस फील हो रहा है क्योंकि मेरे लिए पहला as a producer first time doing something, and Sanjay has done a fantastic job with the film Jazba. Aishwarya ji has done a fantastic job. I've seen the film. I think definitely it will excite the audience of India. Thank you.
It's a great privilege to be here. It's a proud moment for all at sea. Because after such a long time, we have two global stars. We have a fantastic stylized director of the country. And we have a tremendous team in terms of the producer, Sanjay Gupta, Akash, Sachin ji, all of us. And it's been a great pleasure to make this film. I am sure you will enjoy the film. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
दादा
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Aishwarya. And since
bodyguard. भाई क्या चलता भाई एक